Hey everyone, welcome back to Homemaking with Rebecca. Today we're making homemade vanilla. So if you're wanting to make homemade vanilla for Christmas presents, this is your sign to go ahead and get started. This is one of those things that takes a while to get going. It's really easy to make, but it's going to take several months. And so you don't want to wait till October and then decide to make vanilla for Christmas presents. It's not going to be as good. So we're at the beginning of the year. This is a great time to get started. So I've been using these vanilla beans from Vanilla Bean Kings, and you can order off their website. You can also order from them off of Amazon. And on their website, they have a co-op option that you can sign up for their emails for that. And when they open that up, you can get your vanilla beans for a really great price. So check into that. And depending on how much vanilla you're wanting to make, that can be very affordable to buy through their co-op. So I've got 4 ounces of beans here. I like it that they also have this little magnet too. You can put it on your refrigerator that tells you how much beans to how much alcohol you need. So that's very, very helpful in case you forget. This is 4 ounces, and so we're going to be making 1 quart jar of vanilla. And the only other ingredient that we're going to need is this vodka. This is an 80 proof vodka. I think you can use 70 to 100 proof. I think 80 is really good to use. And so we're just going to be pouring this over our vanilla beans. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and get our vanilla beans opened. And they already smell so good when you open them. And then what we're going to want to do is we're just going to want to cut these in half just to split them open and put them in our jar, and then we're going to cover them with vodka. So ideally you would want these to sit in the vodka for at least 6 months, but you can go longer. People say that if you go 2 years, that's really good. I've never really let mine go that long. I usually try to go 6 to 9 months or a year if I have time. Like I said, if you get started now, then you're going to have plenty of time to let that go for a year. So we're just going to split these down the middle like this and pop them in our jar. And Vanilla Bean Kings has a lot of different kinds of vanilla beans. These are their Madagascar vanilla beans. And so these are a little bit smaller. I've had some that were a little bit bigger. But what you can see is when you cut it down the middle lengthwise like this, it exposes all those little vanilla beans inside there. That's kind of the caviar, if you will. And so it's going to start infusing your vodka with all that lovely vanilla flavor. So we got our vanilla beans all in there, and we're just going to cover it up with vodka. I'm going to put the lid on here and put the date. And there we go. So what you want to do is you want to put this in your pantry, and then when you're in there every few days or so, just try to remember and shake it, and that just kind of helps everything get infused in there. So I'm going to show you some ones that I made a couple of months ago and show you how much they've changed. So you can see this, you can just see that it's just clear. And then this one I made about a month ago. So you can kind of see when I hold it up to the light that it's got that amber color to it. Just going to shake that up a little bit, and then so you can kind of see. And then I've got one that I made a couple months before that, and so you can see that it's even darker, and it will just continue to get darker and darker the longer it sits. And this just makes such great gifts. Vanilla is so expensive, and so it's nice to give to your friends that are bakers as gifts. And it's so good to put in all your baked goods. I like to make like frappuccinos and things like that and put in there hot chocolate, anything that you would use vanilla for. It's great. And you don't want to skimp on the vanilla beans. You want to make sure you're getting enough in there so it makes a good infusion, and then you don't have to use as much. If it's not as strong, then you're going to want to use more, and you're kind of defeating the purpose with that. So like I said, go ahead and get this going now for next year, and you'll just have it ready, and then you can have some of your Christmas gifts already done and ready. I put these back in my pantry, and I'll be shaking them every few days or every couple weeks, and we'll have lots of nice vanilla next year. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.